We live in amazing times. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world. We used to think creativity was for humans alone. Now, AI is breaking down those barriers. It's a new frontier. AI can help us explore our creativity in ways we never thought possible. Imagine a world where AI helps artists, writers, and musicians. Imagine AI composing music, painting pictures, and writing stories. This is the future we are stepping into, a future full of possibilities. It's exciting and a little bit unknown, but one thing is certain: AI is here to stay. So, how does AI actually work in the creative process? It's a fascinating blend of technology and imagination. Let's take a look at ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI language models available today. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It has the ability to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can generate human-like text, making it a powerful tool for writers and creators. We can use it to write stories, poems, even movie scripts. The possibilities are endless. We gave ChatGPT an idea for a movie. We wanted to see how it could help us bring our vision to life. We told it about the characters, the plot, and the overall feel we wanted. We provided as much detail as possible to guide the AI. Then, ChatGPT got to work. It started generating text based on our input, crafting scenes and dialogue. It wrote scenes, dialogue, and even stage directions. The AI was able to create a cohesive narrative that matched our vision. It was amazing to see the script take shape before our eyes. The AI's ability to generate content was truly impressive. The process wasn't without its hiccups. There were moments when the AI's output didn't quite match our expectations. Sometimes ChatGPT needed a little guidance. We had to provide feedback and make adjustments to keep the script on track. We would give it feedback, and it would learn and adapt. The AI's ability to refine its output based on our input was remarkable. It was a true collaboration between human and AI. Together, we created something unique and exciting. With a script in hand, it was time to make the movie. The excitement was palpable as everyone gathered on set, ready to bring the story to life. The air buzzed with anticipation and the hum of creativity. This is where the human touch was essential. Every detail mattered, from the director's vision to the actors' interpretations. Directors, actors, cinematographers, they all brought the story to life. Each person contributed their unique skills and perspectives, creating a rich tapestry of talent. They used their creativity and expertise to turn the words on the page into a visual masterpiece. The collaboration was seamless, with everyone working towards a common goal. The AI gave us a framework. It provided the structure and the initial ideas, but it was the human element that added depth and emotion. Humans filled it with emotion, nuance, and artistry. The actors' performances were heartfelt, and the director's guidance was invaluable. It was a true partnership. The synergy between human creativity and AI technology was evident in every scene. The result? A film that was both innovative and engaging. It captivated audiences and showcased the potential of this new collaborative approach. This is just the beginning. The success of this project has opened the door to endless possibilities. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more incredible collaborations between humans and machines. The future of filmmaking is bright, and the possibilities are limitless. Section 4: AI's Creative Canvas Beyond the Silver Screen. AI isn't just limited to movies, it's being used in all sorts of creative fields. Musicians are using AI to create new sounds and compositions. Artists are using AI to generate stunning visuals. Writers are using AI to overcome writer's block and explore new genres. There's AI VA, an AI composer that has created soundtracks for films and video games. And then there's Deep Dream Generator, which uses AI to transform ordinary photos into dreamlike works of art. The possibilities are endless. Section 5: The Future of Creativity, a Human-AI Partnership. Some people worry that AI will replace human creativity. They fear that machines will take over the roles that have traditionally been the domain of human artists, writers, and musicians. But that's not the case at all. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but still just a tool. It doesn't replace human creativity, it enhances it. It's like a paintbrush for a painter, an extension of their hand and imagination, or an instrument for a musician, allowing them to express emotions and ideas in ways that words alone cannot. It can help us unlock our creative potential in ways we never thought possible. Imagine brainstorming with an AI that can suggest ideas you might never have considered. The future of creativity is a partnership between humans and AI. It's a collaboration where each brings their unique strengths to the table. It's about using the strengths of both to create something truly special. Together we can achieve more than we ever could alone. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and exploring the unknown. With AI, we can venture into new creative territories. So let's embrace this new era of creativity. Let's be open to the possibilities that AI brings to the table. Let's explore the possibilities of AI. Let's see how it can help us innovate and create in ways we never imagined. Let's work together to create a future where art, technology, and human ingenuity combine to inspire and amaze. The journey is just beginning and the possibilities are endless.